Hi, I'm Tracy McStacy. I'm a motivational entrepreneur, independent woman, life coach, happiness expert, entrepreneur, life woman of hope and wonder. I'm going to borrow my husband's car. He doesn't know it, but I'm sure he's not going to mind, since I am an independent woman and I'm walking down my manifestation journey. You're not going to believe it, but I have this amazing once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, something you're not going to get anywhere in the whole entire internet. If you go to my website right now, I will give you free access to my once-in-a-lifetime amazing PDF with 10 amazing life strategy tips. You won't get these anywhere else, guys. Don't Google it. Okay, I'm going to a manifestation meeting, so let me just figure this out here. Driven it hundreds of times. P is for passion. So then I go that. Okay. Do you want to be happy? Do you want to be successful? Do you want a car like this? Well, follow my 10 amazing life strategy tips. The only people that follow these tips are people that are successful. And you want to be one of those people, right? So follow these habits and join me down the path of health and wealth and schmealth. Follow your dreams.